In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide sheets in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to temporarily clean up a crowded workbook without deleting anything, hiding a sheet is the perfect trick. It tucks a sheet out of sight so your main tabs are easier to navigate, while all the data, formulas, and references keep working in the background. Keep in mind, hiding is for organization, not for security. Anyone with edit access to the file can unhide a sheet, so don't rely on this to protect sensitive information. Let's start by hiding a sheet. First, open your Google Sheets file in your browser. Look along the bottom of the window for the row of tabs. These are your individual sheets. Find the tab you want to hide. When you've got it, point to that tab and right-click. A small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Hide Sheet. The tab disappears from the bottom row, confirming it's now hidden. Your data hasn't been deleted or broken. Charts and formulas that reference the sheet will still work, but the tab itself is no longer visible in the tab bar. This is especially handy when you're sharing a report and want viewers to focus on a summary rather than on helper sheets or raw data. Now let's bring a hidden sheet back. Go to the top menu bar and click View. In the drop-down, move to Hidden Sheets. If you have any hidden sheets, you'll see them listed by name. Click the name of the sheet you want to unhide. The sheet immediately reappears in the tab bar at the bottom, right alongside your other tabs, ready for you to use again. If you've hidden more than one sheet, repeat the same action for each one you want to bring back. If you don't see hidden sheets under the View menu, that simply means nothing is currently hidden in this file. Also remember that hiding a sheet doesn't change sharing permissions. Any collaborator with the right level of access can follow these same steps to unhide it. For true privacy, consider using permissions or separate files. That's all you need to keep your Google Sheets tidy. Right-click a tab and choose Hide Sheet when you want it out of the way, and restore it from View, Hidden Sheets whenever you need it back. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.